Okay, I was a little bit worried about this area because I have a lot of thorns. Drops into the ditch here, the irrigation ditch, also known as a graben here in Germany. Yeah, it looks like he's getting stuck. Oops. Yep. That's what I figured. I don't know, panic, panic. It's stuck. It didn't leave. I have the proper space. In fact, I have extra space here. But this earth is really soft because I had to, pull up a lot of thorns, bushes that grew up. So, it's got an emergency stop. So, push emergency stop. Emergency stop. So, okay, I'm gonna have to come over here and do some kind of barrier here so it doesn't fall in again and get stuck. But this, you saw it, and what happens when it. See, it drives up to the cable, which I hopefully have deep enough in the earth here. Not too deep. And so the cable's here, but it kind of slid off and it was trying to get traction, and when the wheels are going back and forth, it just, the gravity pulled it down into the ditch here. So, yeah, it freaking sucks. I thought I had enough standoff from that ditch, but clearly I didn't. And since it hasn't had any earth grow up yet, since I just pulled all this stuff up, grass grow up, then yeah, freaking, it's a little too soft to hold it in place and allow it to maneuver back. So, this device is made for flat surfaces, and mostly it can do some, as you saw, it's kind of got a grade here, but it kind of slopes down. But when the earth is more soft and there's no grass on it, it has issues. So you really have to get your garden properly groomed. And this thing, I just installed it and I'm just figuring this out. Even though I am properly grooming my garden, there's, some rough patches. I think my garden has every type of surface you can think of. I have gravel, but I'm not going to run that thing over it. Just mostly not. There might be space that has to get a little bit of it over there. I'm trying to make it avoid the gravel, but I think just a couple little edges it might end up with some gravel that's grown over with grass. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, yeah, I have to figure this out right now. Try to make it work again. I keep putting big stones, concrete blocks I have from a wall I tore down. Hopefully give it a little barrier so it doesn't fall into the ditch. So yeah, this is going to be kind of a learning experience here.